All right, good morning, beautiful minds. Let's see. Hopefully this will be okay. I can always edit it later. Well, actually, what are we talking? Where's the tweet, Bob? Let's go over to Browser Edge with mini video. Let's go. So let's see. This is Creators and Wizards. I'm Bob, and today we're going to be talking about idea alchemy. What tools and strategies do you use to generate, develop, and organize your ideas? Today, 10 a.m. Central. Me personally, I use Notepad. I do have an Excel spreadsheet that I used to update with many tabs and lots of tasks now, so I'm looking for another tool, and this is the tool that's been recommended. Obsidian. Let's go. So I checked the licenses, which is super cool. It's free for personal use, for sole proprietorships and single person organizations. So I can try this, use it for free as long as it's just me. So I've downloaded it. All right, Obsidian's installed. Super simple install, no options, nothing. It just does what it wants. Let's go quick start. Okay, welcome. This is your new vault. Make a note of something, create a link, or try the importer. Delete this note. So at this point, I need to go to the help. Create a new note by pressing Control N. Here, we can see a bit of markdown. We put the hashes for the headings. We got the stars for bold. What we want is to link these together so we can get this cool interactive graph. Create that new note. 3 laws of motion. The laws of motion are 3 laws stated by Isaac Newton. Yes, yes, yes. Let's create another note called law of inertia and give it some text. And then at the end of the sentence, press the left square bracket twice on your keyboard. Okay, and that, wow. So you can just link it like this. This is cool, and it links up in the graph. This is a game changer. I need to shout somebody out for this. I think it was Timo. Let me see. It was Timo Codes. Let's go, Timo. Thank you so much for this. It is the best thing ever. Wow. Excellent work. Thank you. This is going to be amazing. All right, that was it. It's really easy, simple to download, install. It's free for personal use. If you're a single person business, it's free for use. If you're 2 or more people business, you got to pay for it. It looks like it's going to be a game changer for me. You can create vaults. You don't have to pay a subscription. It's all local. This is awesome. Did you try it? Yeah, I just tried it.